Namaste everyone. Today I am going to discuss elimination method to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. That is chapter number 3 for class 10th. So before going to the questions, let us see the steps of the method. So first, multiply both equations by some suitable non-zero constant to make the coefficients of one variable, either x or y, numerically equal. Remember, the coefficient of one variable must be numerically equal. Then add or subtract one equation from other so that one variable gets eliminated. If you get an equation in one variable, go to step 3. Means by adding or subtracting, if you are getting an equation in one variable, go to step 3. If in step 2 we obtain a true statement involving no variable, means there is no variable but left hand side equals to right hand side, then equations has infinite many solutions, means the lines will be coincident. If in step 2 we obtain false statement, means left hand side is not equals to right hand side, then the original pair of equations has no solution. It is inconsistent and means the pair of lines will be parallel. Now let us see what we have to do in step 3. Solve the equation in one variable x or y so obtain to get its value, means from here we have to find out the value of remaining variable, that is either x or y. Substitute the value of x or y, whatever you found in step 3, in either the original equation to get the value of other variable, means you have to replace the value of x or y in either of equation to get the value of second variable. So now let us see with the help of one example. So remember, you are going to solve them with the help of elimination method. That is the second algebraic method to solve the linear equation. You know, your first algebraic method was substitution method. So now let us solve question number 1 and its second part. The equation is 3x plus 4y equals to 10, and the second equation is 2x minus 2y equals to 2. Now I told you that you have to multiply by a constant. So what will be that constant? First of all, name them equation 1 and equation 2. Now see the coefficients of x. In equation 2 it is 2 and equation 1 it is 3. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Remember, here we are interchanging the coefficients of x and then we are multiplying, means coefficient of x in equation 2 is 2. So equation 1 we have to multiply by 2, and the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 3. So equation 2 we have to multiply by 3. So let us see what we'll get. Remember, equation 1 we have to multiply by 2 and we have to multiply it completely, means left hand side and right hand side both, and equation 2 we have to multiply by 3. So 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8y equals to 2 10s are 20, and equation 2 by 3, so 3 2s are 6x minus 3 2s are 6y equals to 3 2s are 6. Now you can see the coefficients of x are same. Now subtract, and you know, to subtract them you have to change the signs. So 6x minus 6x minus 6y will become positive and constant term will become negative. So 6x minus 6x equals to 0, and 8 plus 6 now, so 8 plus 6y equals to 14y, and 20 minus 6 equals to 14. Now find out the value of y. So it will be 14 upon 14. 14 was in multiplication, will go in divide, and 14 1 ja 14 will be equals to 1. So the value of y is 1. Now what you have to do, you have to replace the value of y in either of the equations, means either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So I am going to replace in equation 1, that is 3x plus 4y equals to 10. So replace the value of y. The equation will become 3x plus 4 into 1. The value of y is 1. So replace y by 1 will be equals to 10. And 3x will be equals to, take this to the right side, 4 1 ja 4, so 10 minus 4, and x will be equals to 6 upon 3. 3 2s are 6, so x will be equals to 2, which is your required solution. Now you can write that the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1. Hence it is your required solution. Now let us see one application based question, that is 5 years ago Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu, and 10 years later Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? Means we have to find out their present ages. So you know it is question number 2 and its second part of 3.4. So first of all, let us suppose their present ages. Let present age of Nuri equals to one variable, that is x, and similarly present age of Sonu equals to y. Now first of all, the first condition was "5 years ago." Remember, the first line was 5 years ago. The age of Nuri will be x minus 5, and the age of Sonu will be y minus 5. Subtract 5 years from their ages. And now remember the first statement of the question, that was the age of Nuri is 3 times the age of Sonu. So age of Nuri is x minus 5 and age of Sonu is y minus 5. And x minus 5 will be equals to 3 multiplied by Sonu's age, that is y minus 5. Simplify it. X minus 5 as it is, 3 into y, 3y minus 3 5s are 15. Now bring 3y to the left and take minus 5 to the right. It will become x minus 3y equals to minus 15 plus 5. X minus 3y will be equals to minus 15 plus 5 is minus 10. So this is your first equation. I'm writing it here. X minus 3y equals to minus 10. Now remember your next statement, that is 10 years hence, 10 years from now. So first of all, find out their age is 10 years later. So if present age is x, 10 years hence, age of Nuri will be 10 years will be added, so it will be x plus 10, and age of Sonu will be y plus 10. Remember the relation. So according to question, age of Nuri will be 2 times age of Sonu. So age of Nuri is x plus 10 will be equals to 2 into y plus 10. 2 whole multiplied by y plus 10. Simplify this also, x plus 10 as it is. Multiply 2 inside, so it will be 2y plus 2 tens are 20. Then bring 2y to the left. X minus 2y will be equals to 20 minus 10. And x minus 2y will be equals to 20 minus 10 is 10. So this is your second equation. Now let us solve them using elimination method. So our first equation is x minus 3y equals to minus 10, name it equation 1, and second is x minus 2y equals to 10, name it equation 2. Now see, the coefficient of x in equation 1 and equation 2 is same. So now what you have to do, simply subtract them. You don't need to equate the coefficient of one variable here because these are already same. So subtract 2 from 1. To subtract them, you know you have to change the signs. So x minus x will be 0 and minus 3 plus 2y equals to minus y, and minus 10 will be equals to minus 20. Multiply both sides by minus 1 and y will be 20. So this is the value of y. Now to find out the value of x, replace value of y in equation 1. You can replace in any equation. Here I am replacing in equation 1 to find out the value of x. So x minus 3y equals to minus 10. This was our equation 1. So replace y. Y was equal to 20. So it will become 3 into 20 will be equals to minus 10. And 23 is 60. So x will be equals to minus 10. Take 60 to the right will become positive. Minus 10 plus 60, which is equal to 50. So x will be 50 years. 50y means 50 years. So this was the age of Nuri. Age of Nuri is equals to x, which is you got 50 years, and age of Sonu is, these are the present ages, age of Sonu is 20 years, which you took equals to y. Hence it is your solution. Practice more to make it more perfect. Thank you. Keep smiling.